Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Aditya here. I hope everyone is safe, taking care of themselves and their families in these tough times of coronavirus. I'm here to connect with you on the launch of my podcast series called Add On, where I'm going to touch upon some various small and simple topics which could be of relevance to each one of us in our day to day lives. Why this initiative? I think the purpose of learning, which is very essential in each one of our lives, is something that I wish I can push with this initiative of mine. Learning, because it's an important aspect in each one of our lives, I think it's a topic which we cannot ignore in the tech age that we are living in. And hence, it becomes even more important to continuously push ourselves to learn. This subject or this series rather, which is called Add-on, I would also like to share why I have called it Add-on, because it's in these times that we really need to add on to our skills, our capabilities, our own personal development. I'm sure everyone has probably some struggle in terms of maintaining their own productivity in times where we are locked down. But what do we do about it? How best we can make use of it is if we add on to our skills, if we learn something in this period. So, with the launch of this series, I would like to touch upon my first topic, which I've chosen, which is it starts with me. Someone would wonder why this topic. What does it really mean? So, as said by Leo Tolstoy, everyone thinks of changing the world, but nobody thinks of changing themselves first. How relevant is that? I think we must be encountering this in our day to day lives. We may be preaching so many people about the good habits or about those initiatives which probably they should take, but seldom do we think whether we are doing it ourselves or not. Take my own example. I would be telling so many people, why don't you read books? It's a great tool to learn. But am I doing it myself? Is the question mark. I would be telling others that why don't you do something for your own personal development? Why don't you go in for some coaching? Why don't you go in for, some training and development programs? But again, the question is, do I do it myself? So, hence, this point is very relevant that it starts with me. We all in our leadership positions must realize this fact that unless we set examples, unless we take the onus on us, nobody down the line will take us seriously on whatever we talk about. So I'd end with only three suggestions on this. I think first is important to identify who you are, who you really as an individual are. There are various tools available like a Thomas profile or an Harrison, which gives you an in-depth understanding of what kind of an individual you are, which is the starting point. Second, when you realize what kind of a personality or an individual you are, there would be certain, gaps which probably you need to work on. So it's important to start taking the small steps in that direction. Third, and the final suggestion is whatever steps you take, sustain it. You need to keep working on it. You cannot let go in between. So take small steps, but sustain the steps for the long term. I think this is it from my first first video. I hope to connect with you again soon and share other such small and relevant topics, which I'm sure everyone would like to implement in their lives. Thank you.